Hey guys, welcome back to Tamara's Bargains, and today I got a bargain deal for you. So I have a regular coffee pot and I have a regular standard Keurig one. I believe it's the K500 model, I want to say. I've had it for I think I've had it for like almost 2 years. So I end up coming across this one because my coffee portions have been like off big time. So this is a Keurig K Dual Essential model, which I'm super excited about. Now the price comparison that I will say is that if you go to Target, which I'm right here and it's actually sitting in my chair, but if you go to Target is running for $179.99. But if you get this bad baby at Walmart right now, Walmart is running for $79.99. Now also let me just give you a heads up. If you are at a Target, they will price match. But the fact that it is a $100 difference is a total bang for your buck. Like I said, if you have a Target closer to you, they will price match. You just got to make sure that you pull it up, and then sometimes they are very picky as far as saying, oh, okay, is it in stock at Walmart? So you also would have to make sure that it's in stock at your local Walmart to get that price match deal. But like I said, or you could cut the trouble and just go to your local Walmart and get this bargain that Tamara is letting you know about. So like I said, this is a K Dual. I have the standard Keurig. It's okay, but I wanted something different because my husband and I are definitely coffee drinkers. So when it comes down to the Dual, sometimes we want a full pot or sometimes just a quick one where you could just use the K-cups and grab and go. So I'm all about conveniencies. So that's what I really wanted and I wanted to do with this video. So this is definitely an unboxing of this. Like I said, the price points is $79.99 at Walmart. I also got the 2-year protection plan, which I strongly suggest. Actually, let me move my catnip so I can talk to you guys real quick. Watch out, buddy. Watch out, buddy. Always stealing chairs. All right, so when it comes to getting protection plans, I am strongly a person who always gets protection plans on any of my products, because when it comes down to a 1-year manufacturer warranty, sometimes your product doesn't break within that 1 year. So this is not only just a Keurig Dual that I'm doing, but I'll also show you a quick little haul that I'm also doing. One item from Food for Less, and then also my pods for my new product. So I got Seattle's Best Coffee, the house blend medium roasted. Got Starbucks caramel flavor coffee. Oh my gosh, you can't go wrong without Starbucks. And Dunkin' Donuts, 40 of them. They are recyclable K-pods, and this is the original blend. Love Dunkin' Donuts coffee, not crazy about their creamer though. And this mama always needs her extra caffeinated coffee. This does the trick. Like, I promise you, as soon as I use one of these, I'm up within 15 to 30 minutes. But it's also medium strong and it's really good. It's 1.75 more caffeine than the 8-ounce coffee. So love this, and this is only like less than $4 at Walmart, and this is a Walmart brand, and like I said, it does what it does. It does its job. It wakes my butt up. Then we got the Swiss Miss, sorry, I have a lisp, and and this is a 22 K-cup recyclable pods as well, and this is what I needed also for my my hot chocolate coffee bar that I wanted to do. So let's get to this unboxing. So inside here we got the Keurig Let's Get Brewing, and it tells you about everything that like all the instructions, the manual, the warranty inside of here. Like I said, you don't have to fill out the warranty for it, but like if it does have any problems, all you do is just basically call them and let them know, hey, my machine's no longer working. They'll ask you when did you purchase it and all that fun information, and then you give them the serial number. Sometimes they will charge you a small fee for the shipping. Usually it's like 20 bucks, not that bad. But like I said, warranty is usually with 1 year with them, and then you get a brand new Keurig. So this is what the box looks like. On the sides, it's actually a beautiful beautiful appliance. They also have it in a silver or like a chrome, a matte chrome look. I don't really have any stuff that is silver or chrome in my kitchen. It's mostly black and chrome or black and silver. But this is what this looks like. The coffee pot itself. That's actually beautiful. It's a 12 cup. And let's see what this machine looks like. So excited. I actually wanted this one for a while. And I just stuck with the basic model. Like I said, I believe it was the 12, the K50 or the K500, whatever one. And oh, this is beautiful. Let me pull it over here so you guys can see it. And this is what this beautiful appliance looks like. Totally love it. This is what the top looks like. Love the water tank right there. And the fact that I love that you could use it for the pods and also for a regular pot of coffee. So super excited about this. I will give it a couple of tries. I actually have coffee right now from AM/PM, so I won't need any more coffee today. But the fact that I got it, I'm loving it so far. It's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Now, quick call I wanted to do. Can you please hand me that pizza box, please, sweetie? So parents too, why not bring Chuck E. Cheese home to your kids instead of going there? I know we're still kind of cautious about the virus, but found out Food for Less. I don't know if any other grocery stores carry this yet, but they got the Chuck E. Cheese pizza. So that's what we had last night, and it's breakfast and the kids want pizza right now, so why not? And they have it usually in pepperoni and cheese. They run about $2.99 to $3.99, but it tastes like the real Chuck E. Cheese pizza. So I wanted to give you guys a thumbs up on that and a review and let you know it's a go for me. So you guys have a blessed one. Have a blessed weekend. This is my unboxing of my new dual Keurig machine that I'm super, super excited. Oh, and I forgot to show you. It has a little measuring spoon for it. Maybe I'll measure my coffee way better. Have a blessed one.